Welcome to RB Medical Coding class. In this session, we bring you a powerful set of important MCQs on medical coding compliance and regulatory guidelines, essential for medical coders preparing for certification exams like CPC, CCS. These carefully curated questions with answers and explanations will help reinforce your knowledge and boost your confidence. Let's get started. Advanced Medical Coding Compliance and Regulatory, MCQs, Part 5. Question 1. Which of the following is a key element of an effective compliance program? A. Increasing claim submissions. B. Offering free services. C. Internal monitoring and auditing. D. Hiring more billing staff. Answer. C. Internal monitoring and auditing, because regular audits help ensure compliance with laws and detect coding, billing issues early. Question 2. What does the acronym HITECH stand for? A. Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health. B. Health Insurance Training and Electronic Code Handling. C. Hospital Information and Technology Evaluation Chart. D. Health Industry Treatment and Electronic Coding Hub. Answer. A. Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health. Because HITECH Act promotes the adoption of electronic health records, EHRs, and strengthens HIPAA rules. Question 3. Which agency issues the National Correct Coding Initiative, NCCI, edits? A. OIG. B. AMA. C. CMS. D. AHA. Answer. C. CMS, because Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, releases NCCI edits to prevent incorrect coding combinations. Question 4. If a coder intentionally assigns a code to maximize reimbursement, what type of fraud is this? A. Downcoding. B. Clustering. C. Upcoding. D. Unbundling. Answer. C. Upcoding, because upcoding means billing for a more expensive service than was actually provided. This is fraud. Question 5. What does unbundling in coding mean? A. Combining services into a single code. B. Reporting multiple codes for procedures that should be billed together. C. Coding services after payment. D. Ignoring CAPTAN guidelines. Answer. B. Reporting multiple codes for procedures that should be billed together. Because unbundling leads to overbilling and violates NCCI guidelines. Question 6. Which law protects whistleblowers who report healthcare fraud? A. Anti-Kickback Statute. B. Stark Law. C. False Claims Act. D. HITECH. Answer. C. False Claims Act, because the FCA includes a key thumb provision that protects and rewards whistleblowers. Question 7. Which documentation is not part of the legal health record? A. Progress Note. B. Discharge Summary. C. Encoder Software Logic. D. History and Physical. Answer. C. Encoder Software Logic, because only clinically relevant documentation is part of the legal health record. Question 8. Who is responsible for ensuring that coding is compliant in a healthcare facility? A. Medical Assistant. B. Compliance Officer. C. Insurance Company. D. CMS. Answer. B. Compliance Officer, because a compliance officer monitors internal processes and ensures coding and billing laws are followed. Question 9. What is a common consequence of not following coding compliance rules? A. Increased patient flow. B. Higher physician salaries. C. Financial penalties and audits. D. Free EHR upgrades. Answer. C. Financial penalties and audits, because non-compliance can lead to fines, loss of licenses, and criminal charges. Question 10. What should be done if a coder identifies a consistent coding error in claims? A. Ignore it. B. Report to billing. C. Notify the compliance department. D. Fix it secretly. Answer. C. Notify the compliance department, because all errors must be reported to compliance to ensure corrective action and prevent fraud. That's a wrap for today's session on medical coding compliance MCQs. We hope these questions gave you more clarity and confidence as you prepare for your exams or interviews. Understanding compliance is crucial for every coder, not just for passing exams, but for building a strong, ethical career in medical coding. Preparing for the CPC exam, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our CPC exam preparation question bank, packed with high-yield MCQs and detailed explanations. Check out the link in the video description to access it now. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to RB Medical Coding class for more expert content, coding tips, and exam practice sessions. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update, and drop your doubts or suggestions in the comments. Thank you.